nature, a place where birds fly around uncooked, is attributed to Oscar Wilde. This statement is a humorous play on the word nature, offering a whimsical and absurd perspective. Wilde was known for his wit and satire, and this quote reflects his tendency to use clever wordplay to challenge conventional ideas. Here, the notion of birds flying uncooked is a humorous and fantastical interpretation, turning a common observation about nature into a humorous and thought-provoking expression. Comment what is your favorite quote by whom, and I will use it in the next video.